Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you turn on lockdown mode on iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and want to enable lockdown mode, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your settings here and click on general and make sure that you are using updated version of iOS. If you have not updated yet, you have to update your iPhone first, and after doing this you have to go back and you have to scroll it down. From here you will see the option of privacy and security. You have to click on it and you need to scroll it below. From here, as you can see, you will see the option of lockdown mode. You have to click on it and you have to turn it on. And guys, when you have turned on your lockdown mode, your iPhone will be restart. As you can see here, you have to click on turn on and restart. And after this, lockdown mode will be enabled on your iPhone after restarting. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.